Welcome to Inforama. Here we can help you generate multi-personalized versions of PDFs. As you will see from this tutorial, Inforama is an extremely easy to use, cost-effective application. Okay, let's get started. If you are a new customer, you will need to sign up to Inforama. Go to the top toolbar and click Sign Up. Fill out the relevant details. Once completed, you will receive an email with a link to activate your account. For existing customers, it is necessary to log in. Fill in the relevant details and click here. This then brings us into the Inforama Studio. As we can see, no projects have been created yet. To create a new project, we click here and enter the project name. The new project will appear alphabetically in the project table. What type of projects might you have? Well, for an example, an insurance company could have different projects for life, health, car, etc. To delete or rename a project, we simply click the corresponding buttons and follow the instructions. Okay, let's click the Manage button in order to upload our templates and data fields. As we can see, this table is divided into two groupings, templates and data fields. Let's deal with templates first. What is a template? Well, a template is a PDF document with form fields that we want to populate with customer information. At the moment, we can see that there are currently no records found here. Let's click here to upload a new template. Before we do this, I would like to mention that we can navigate back to the previous template and data field table by clicking here, or to our original projects table by clicking here. Okay, let's upload our file. We simply click here, select the file, and then click Add Template. Now we are brought back to the template table and we can see that the file has been uploaded. Now to add our data fields. Before we do this, let's talk about what we mean by data field. Data fields describe the format or the data on a spreadsheet. To put it another way, it is the headings or categories under which information is categorized. Let's create new data fields. Before we upload our data fields, it is important that I mention that in this version of Inforama, we only accept Excel spreadsheets. Okay, let's upload our data field. Step 1. Choose your file and click Upload Spreadsheet. Step 2. We now need to select the sheets that we want the data fields from. Sheet 1, Save Data Fields. Let's click Data Fields to check that our file has been uploaded correctly. Perfect. Now that both our template and data fields have been uploaded, we see two new buttons have appeared in our table: Designer and Generate. Designer allows us to create associations between the document fields in our PDFs and the data fields from our spreadsheets. Once completed, we then click Generate to produce multi-personalized versions of our PDFs. Okay, now let's click on Designer. The Inforama Designer is divided into 4 sections. On the left are the document fields that have been detected within the PDF template. In the middle is the PDF viewer. The right-hand side contains the data fields, the headings from our spreadsheet. If you click here, these fields will be revealed. To the bottom of our page, we have the binding window. Here we will see the binding code appear as we make each association. Okay, let's select the fields we want to bind. This can be done either by clicking the field in the PDF viewer or by selecting the field name from the field table. Once done, we need to select its corresponding data field. As we do this, the binding will show in the binding window. Also, a drawing pin will appear which denotes that the association for this field has been made. Okay, for today's example, let's do 2 more associations. First, forename and surname of the first life insured. And we click the corresponding data field. and surname. Again, we see the binding code in the binding window, and the drawing pins denote that 2 new associations have been made. Say, for example, I want to delete an association. I simply highlight the document field and then click the delete button. Once we have created all of our associations, it is very important that we save our work before returning to the template table. Okay, before we move on to generate our documents, let's recap. We've created a project, we've uploaded a template, we've uploaded a data field. Also in Designer, we have created associations between our template and data fields. Now we're ready to generate our documents. To generate documents, we need 3 components: the template, the data, and the data fields. Both the template and the data fields have already been uploaded. Now let's upload the data that we want to populate in this document. By data, I mean the information listed under our headings in our spreadsheet. Data fields sheet 1 has already been uploaded. And then we click Generate Documents. A zip file containing the generated PDFs will be returned to our browser. Let's have a look at our documents. So that ends our tutorial today on how Inforama can help you generate multi-personalised versions of PDFs. Thank you for listening.